guys, my name is Bree, and if you are digging this hairstyle, guess what? It's a synthetic wig, and yes, it was under $30. So if you are new to wearing wigs and you trying to figure out how can you make your wigs look natural, then stay tuned because I got you. I got you. Don't worry, I got you.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
So for this video, I will be wearing a synthetic unit by Outre, and it is the Dominican Blowout Relaxed wig in this really cute burgundy color, and this is the stock card. So the color I will be wearing is the same exact color as the girl on the stock card, but it would not be looking like this. And the color is BH950/425. That was a handful, but I will definitely leave all the details of the wig in the description box below. So I wanted to show you guys quickly how my natural hair would be looking underneath my wigs, as underneath the wig that I'll be showing in the video. As you can see, I have these little braids. They're kind of janky, but they work. It really doesn't matter how your natural hair looks underneath your wigs, because ain't nobody gonna be checking how it's gonna look. So it is totally fine if you want to throw on a stocking cap. That is also an option. I will be having my janky braids, aka my Cleo set it off braids. So let's get straight into the creme de la creme of making that wig look natural. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks straight out the pack. I will be using my fingers in order to plug this unit. It's really important that you plug along the hairline in order to open up that scalp. So as you guys can see, I'm using a comb in order to see which hairs I need to pull. Now you don't want to grab too much hairs because you do not want to rip that lace. So you're going to grab about maybe 1 to 5 strands of hair. So you're going to part the hairs that you would like to pull, and then you're going to grab those strands and pull and hold the wig at the same time. So you're going to continue this part, pull, and hold method until you are satisfied with how your parting space looks. So in this step, I will be using a Sharpie in order to add some roots on this unit. And this is going to make the unit look more natural. I typically do this step when I am wearing a colored wig that doesn't have any roots. So when you're doing this method, do light strokes in order to have that ombre effect. And you can bring the roots down as far as you would like. So this is how the unit looks after you brush it out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks when we add the concealer. This flat brush that I got from Amazon, really cheap. I don't even know the name of it, but it doesn't have to be a fancy brush at all. Okay, so I'm gonna come closer and show you guys how I put the concealer on the parting. So yeah, you just add it like so. Like, you don't even have to put too much. Then if you do put too much, simply just like press it to blend it. And as you can see, my wig is sitting behind my hairline, and I'm wearing a side part unit. I just like it to be behind my hairline because I just feel like it makes it look a little more natural, but that is totally optional. You don't even need to put that much. I would recommend is when you are, oh, hi Coco, the Sharpie method to let it dry because it did transfer. I do have some black on my hands. So I suggest that you let it dry for about 30 minutes. So if you guys found this video to be super helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and please like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.